Welcome to our detailed review of the Universal Car Cleaning Gel Detailing Kit, available on Amazon. This innovative product is designed to make automotive interior cleaning effortless and efficient. Whether you're tackling dust, crumbs, or hard-to-reach debris in your car's vents, crevices, or dashboard, this cleaning gel is a game changer. Its sticky, reusable formula ensures that no dirt is left behind, making it a must-have for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. The kit includes a versatile cleaning gel that's safe for all surfaces, including leather, plastic, and fabric. Its non-toxic and odorless composition ensures a safe and pleasant cleaning experience. Simply knead the gel, press it into the areas you want to clean, and watch it pick up dirt and debris effortlessly. After use, you can store it in its airtight container for reuse, making it an eco-friendly choice. Perfect for maintaining a spotless car interior, this product is compact, portable, and easy to use. It's an affordable solution for keeping your vehicle looking pristine without the need for harsh chemicals or expensive tools. If you're looking for a reliable and effective cleaning solution, the Universal Car Cleaning Gel Detailing Kit is worth considering. Check it out on Amazon today and give your car the care it deserves.